the viewers, let's solve this binary operation problem. A asterisk B is equal to A plus B, and we are asked to find the inverse. Now, before looking for this inverse, we need to be aware that for binary operations, if you have A asterisk B, then for you to have an inverse, there must be an identity. This identity is known as E. So if you have A asterisk E, this must be equal to A. That is, the identity here is the number that when you multiply by this A, you get your A back. Okay? Now, then for us to have an inverse, then A multiplied by the inverse of A, denoted by A to the power of -1, must give us identity. Alright? Every number multiplied by its inverse will give you identity. So this is what we are going to apply here. This principle, we're going to apply it in solving this problem. So, if we have A asterisk B, which is equal to A plus B, then for us to get the inverse of A, we first of all look for our identity. So we're going to say A asterisk E is equals A. Then since A asterisk B is equal to A plus B, so we're going to apply that here now. So we're going to say A plus B is equal to, A plus E is equal to A. So then we make E the subject of the formula. So by doing this, we have to move this A to this side, and then we have E is equal to A minus A, because when this A, which is positive, crosses to this side, it becomes negative. So this shows that our identity is equal to 0. Now, having gotten our identity, we now move on to find our inverse. So recall that the formula for our inverse is A asterisk A inverse is going to give us identity. In this case, our identity is 0. So we're now going to say A plus A inverse is equals 0. Now also make A inverse the subject. When we make A inverse the subject, we're going to have A inverse is equal to 0. Now when this A crosses to this side, it becomes negative also. So that is minus what? Minus A. So A inverse is equal to negative A. And that is option E. Negative A is the inverse of this function or operation. And this brings us to the end of our class for today. Do subscribe, like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and then press the bell icon to notify you whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next class.